Okay, here we have another big ass e-bike. This one came in for damaged motor wire and brake light wire. The customer said the dog had attacked the bike and bite the motor wire off. As you can see. So now it's coming up with error 3. Some big wheel. So the motor is out, and it's now on my work desk. Put this new wire in. You can see I done the first few wires. Okay, so the motor wiring is done. Get it back into the hub. Okay, so the motor is back together, as you can see. Nicely well done. Turn it on. There's no error. That's the motor's been fixed. So as you can see, there's no error. And then I press the light switch. The horn doesn't work. If I take the light switch off, you get the error. So that tells me there is some short between the horn, the light, and the controller. I took the controller box apart. Let's just double check this wire. Make sure it's not shorting. Maybe there's a short in this wire. So when I took these wires out, there was a short between these wires. They were all entwined into each other. So let's check this again. Ooh, so the light's working now. Check the horn. The horn's working. Turn the light off. Horn's still working. And there's no error. But when I twist the throttle, nothing's happening. So further on, I'm gonna check the front motor. Okay, so I've took the electrical tape off, and I really can't see any damage so far. Get this pin out. The pin was faulty, but looking at, oh okay. Now I can see like a couple of the pins are a little bit bent. Oh, that one's damaged. So this one is not really making a connection. Yeah, so that's the pin. Okay, so this bike is done. As you can see, there's no error. The light's working, horn's working. I've repaired the back motor wire where the dog have bit through, and also I repair the front motor wire, what was also damaged. Took the dual motor off so you can see the back wheel running. Also pedal assist.